What is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet is one that focuses on plants, such as fruits, vegetables, tubers, seeds, legumes, and grains. People on plant-based diets typically avoid beef, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy, or eat them only in small quantities. There is no official set of rules for how to follow a plant-based diet, and there are several different varieties of eating plans. One popular form is the whole food, plant-based WFPB diet, which combines a plant-based diet with a whole foods diet that avoids processed foods, added sugar, artificial sweeteners, refined grains, and hydrogenated oils. Research has repeatedly shown that diets high in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains can improve heart health and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. Background. Some people choose to follow an animal-free diet for ethical reasons, while others do so for the health benefits. A WFPB diet, for example, was highlighted in the 2011 documentary, Forks Over Knives, which promotes avoiding meat, dairy, oil, and sugar, and eating whole, unrefined, or minimally refined plant-based foods. How it works. The WFPB diet focuses on whole grains, legumes, tubers, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. It minimizes or excludes animal-based protein and fat sources, including dairy, and highly refined foods. Adopting a plant-based lifestyle does not necessarily mean you need to give up meat, fish, and dairy for good. Plant-based diets are more of an overall goal than a set of strict rules. Additional research has shown following a WFPB diet can reduce or eliminate the need for medications including statins, blood pressure medication, and certain diabetes drugs. Always check with your doctor before making any changes to your medications. What to eat? There is no one standard diet blueprint for following a WFPB diet, but the overall theme is the diet is rich in plant-based foods and low in animal-based foods. While foods can be eaten either raw or cooked into soups, smoothies, casseroles, baked goods, pizza, meatless burgers, and more, the less processing involved the better. Click the link below for visit official site. Pros: a plant-based diet, in particular, one focused on whole, unprocessed foods, offers many health benefits, including improved heart health and decreased risks of diabetes, cancer, and obesity. Many people following this way of eating report more energy, fewer aches and pains, and an overall sense of well-being. Additional research suggests the diet is effective for weight loss without needing to restrict calories, measure portions, or exercise. Cons: the biggest challenge of following a WFPB diet is making sure you get enough of key nutrients. People on vegetarian diets need to pay extra attention to ensure they get enough protein, calcium, iron, and vitamin B12. Vegetarian diets may lead to a reduced intake of certain nutrients, the report states, but deficiencies can be avoided by appropriate planning. How it compares. The WFPB diet contains a wide variety of nutritious foods. With proper planning, it is possible to get all the necessary vitamins and nutrients with this way of eating. However, many people following a plant-based diet that is not based on whole foods may end up eating unhealthy processed foods, which do not provide proper nutrition. For more information, click the link below.